Today I'm going to show you some 180 kick combos you can do using a reversal and redirect transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the second set of combos for 180-degree rotation kicks, which use a reversal and redirect transition. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your first set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So for this video, we're going to be starting with a reversal transition first. And remember, a reversal transition is anytime you land a trick with leg 1 followed by leg 2 and then take off with leg 2 followed by leg 1. The first combo is going to be a cheat 180 round to a swing 180 hook. So you're going to do your cheat 180 round and land in a frontside stance, and from there you're set up to do your swing 180 hook. The second combo is going to be a cheat 180 round follow through to a swing 180 round. So you're going to do your cheat 180 round and follow through to a backside stance, and from there you're set up to do your swing 180 round. Third combo is going to be a swing 180 hook to a cheat 180 round. So you're going to do your swing 180 hook and land in a backside stance. From there you're good to do your cheat 180 round. And the last combo for reversal transition is a swing 180 hook follow through to a cheat 180 hook. So you're going to do your swing 180 hook and follow through to a frontside stance, and from there you're set up to do your cheat 180 hook. Alright, now moving on to the redirect transition. Now a redirect is like a broken reversal transition, so you land with leg 1 followed by leg 2, you make an adjustment and then take off with leg 2 followed by leg 1. The first combo is going to be a cheat 180 round follow through to a spin swing 180 hook. So you're going to do your cheat 180 round and follow through to a backside stance. From there you're going to spin takeoff into your swing 180 hook. The second combo is going to be a cheat 180 round to a spin swing 180 round. So you're going to do your cheat 180 round and land in a frontside stance, and from there you're going to spin takeoff into your swing 180 round. The third combo is going to be a swing 180 hook follow through to a spin cheat 180 round. So you're going to do your swing 180 hook and follow through to a frontside stance, and from there you're going to spin takeoff into your cheat 180 round. The last combo is going to be a swing 180 hook to a spin cheat 180 hook. So you're going to do your swing 180 hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin takeoff into your cheat 180 hook. Now, since we're just focusing on the transition of these combos, you can start the combo with a spin takeoff, or you can end the combo with a follow through or not. It's totally up to you. Also, a pretty good prerequisite tutorial to watch for these combinations specifically is a reversal zero kick combo tutorial. I'll go ahead and put that right there for you guys to check that out. Remember also when comboing to always think about the move that you're doing while you're doing it. Make sure that you're pushing through your toes and landing on your toes when you do these. And also always try your best to spot your target when you kick. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me that you guys are, just freaking helping a brother out. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the third set of combos for this level, which involve a pop and bound transition. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.